You know that feeling when you've just recorded a video, and the moment you try to play it, everything goes wrong. It's super frustrating. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to fix all kinds of corrupted or unplayable videos using HitPaw VikPea. Before we get started, make sure you download and install HitPaw VikPea. I've placed the download link in the description so you can get the latest version. Once installed, launch the software and go to the video repair interface. Here, you can import any damaged or unplayable video with different issues. In my case, my footage had clear frame drops and jitter during playback, so I selected the video frame drop repair mode and imported the video for processing. Click Start Repair, and VikPea will analyze and fix your video automatically. Within just a few seconds, the repair was done. You can then preview the result, and you'll see two different repaired results. Just choose the one that looks better to you, and export it. Of course, if your video has other issues, such as missing audio, white screen flashes, or stuttering during playback, you can fix them the same way. Just choose the repair model that matches your specific problem, and VikPea will handle the rest. And that's how to repair a corrupted or unplayable video file using HitPaw VikPea. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.